morning, student. Before teaching the poem Night Mail for Standard 7, first we recite the poem Night Mail. This is the night mail crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order. Letters for the rich, letters for the poor. The shop at the corner, the girl next door. Pulling a bit of a steady climb, the gradient against her, but she's on time. Past cotton grass and moorland boulder, shoveling white steam over her shoulder. Snorting noisily as she passes, silent mile of wind-bent grasses. Birds turn their heads as she approaches, stare from the bushes at her blank face coaches. Sheepdog cannot turn her course, they slumber on with paws across. In the farm she passes, no one wakes, but a jug in a bedroom gently shakes. Dawn freshens, the climb is done. Down towards Glasgow she descends. Toward the steam tug, yelping down the glade of cranes. Towards the field of apparatus, the furnaces set on the dark plain like gigantic chessmen. All Scotland waits for her in the dark glen beside the pale green sea-loch. Men long for news, letters of thanks, letters from Bang, letters of joy from the girl and the boy. Receipted bills and invitations to inspect new stock or to visit relations. An application for the situations and timid lovers' declarations. And gossip from all the nations. News circumstantial, news financial. Letters with holiday snaps to enlarge in. Letters with faces scrawled in the margin. Letters from uncle, cousin and aunt. Letters to Scotland from the south of France. Letter of condolence to highlands and lowland. Notes from overseas to the average. Written on paper of every hue, the pink, the violet, the white and the blue. The chatty, the catty, the boring and adoring. The cold and official and hearts outpouring. Clever, stupid, short and long. The typed and the printed and the spelled all wrong. Thousands are still asleep, dreaming of terrifying monsters or a friendly tea beside the band of Cranston or Crawfords. Asleep in working Glasgow, asleep in well-set Edinburgh, asleep in granite Aberdeen. They continue their dreams but shall wake soon and long for letters, and none will hear the postman's knock without a quaking of the heart, for who can bear to feel himself forgotten? Today we will discuss the poem Night Mail written by W.H. Auden. We will discuss about the poet, hard words, summary and question answers. Let's see what is the meaning of night mail. Night mail means a train that carries mail across the country by night. Here we will talk about the poet. W.H. Auden is considered one of the finest poets of the 20th century. He was very creative and experimental in his poetry. He was born in 1907 in York. His childhood was typical and he turned out to be a bright child. He chose teaching as a profession and became professor of poetry at Oxford University. The central themes of his poetry are love, politics, religion, and morals. His poem Night Mail was written to be a commentary for a documentary film made in 1936. The film was around 24 minutes and was named as Night Mail. At the end of the film, the poem was read by Auden. The literary devices used in the poem include personification and metaphor. Personification means giving human qualities to object or idea, like the sunlight danced. Sunlight cannot dance, but it is given the human quality. Now metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison between two different things without using like or as. Example, all the world is a stage. Here world is compared to stage. Personification. The poet has personified a train that meets with the people and brings gift to them. It has shoulders and throws steam over them. Metaphor. The train is a metaphor for a person, and the poet teaches us values like punctuality, treating everybody equally, being sturdy, and so on. Here we see the hard words of the poem. Postal order means an official document that you can buy at a post office and can exchange for money. Shop at the corner means a small shop that sells food and other products, often found on the corner of a street. The girl next door means a person in neighborhood. Crossing means going across something. Bettock means village in Scotland. Gradient means the degree of slope on a railway line. Past cotton grass means passing cotton field. Moorland means hilly land covered with rough grass. Boulder means a very large rock which has been shaped by water or the weather. Steady means stable. Wind-bent grasses means field of bended grass. Stare means to look closely. Blank faced means an expressionless face. Snorting means making a loud noise by breathing out air through the nose. Shoveled means threw off. Silent miles means stretched field. Sheepdogs means dog which are used to round up and guard the sheep. Slumber means sleep. Gently means slowly and softly. Course means way. Pause means a dog's feet. Dawn means the early morning. Glasgow, a large industrial town. Descents means to go down to a lower place. Tugs means a sudden hard pull or small powerful boat that is used for pull in ship into a port. Yelping means loud cries. Furnaces means a device for heating. Apparatus means instrument. Gigantic means extremely big. Average means a group of islands. Catty means someone who is cruel and spiteful or like a cat. Outpouring means something that streams out rapidly. Terrifying means to frighten somebody very much. This much we given in first video. Now second video we will discuss the summary and question answer. Thank you.